Welcome back. Jharkhand beat Goa by 8 to 3 goals in under-15 Coca-Cola 36 Sub-Junior Football Championship. Jharkhand struck within 10 minutes of the game, with Gaurav Mukhi proving to be the highest goal scorer of the day. He scored 5 goals. Goa captain Boris de Mello was adjudged man of the match.
The 36 Sub-Junior National Football Championship in Goa, which was given to us by the All India Football Federation. All the organizers have done a wonderful job. The entire JFA committee, and particularly our Anthony Fernandez, and Jaju, of course, they have done a wonderful job at both the venues. I thank our chief guests, Mr. Avirtan Furtado, the MLA, Mr. Benjamin, Mr. Kaito, our chief secretary, Mr. Keval Sharma.
Progress High School Sakli beat LD Samant High School Porvorim to clinch the Under-16 Germania Trophy. Progress slammed LD Samant by 53 runs. Off-spinner Bablo Gavas begged 5 wickets to take his team to victory. Goa Ranji team captain Swapnil Asnotkar gave away the trophies to the respective teams.
Progress High School Sakli defeated LD Samant High School Porvorim to lift the 30-year-old Germania Trophy. Batting first, Progress High School Sakli scored 107 for 5 in their 20 overs, with batsmen Jai Gaonkar and Uddesh Parab scoring 27 runs each and helping their team to put up a decent score on board. LD Samant High School lost early wickets and were bowled out for mere 54 runs. Bowler Bablo Gauss took 5 wickets, giving away just 8 runs in 4 overs and claimed the man of the finals.
I think all credit goes to the boys, and the preparation starts right from month of November, where we train boys, especially on to play technically correct.
Nawaz Sheikh for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Take care and goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.